Hello. Today I'd like to explain what Quantum Serverless is. Quantum Serverless is a set of tools to help you manage your quantum and classical resources across your entire development workflow. So, with that, serverless, as you can imagine, you can use a variety of classical and quantum resources in this workflow. You can have CPUs, GPUs, or QPUs that you leverage across this workflow. Now, to manage all of these ones, you need to have a flexible tool that helps you actually figure out when you want to use each of these resources for your tasks. Now, typically, when I develop software, I'm doing it on my laptop. My laptop has fixed computational resources available to me, and on top of that, my laptop has to stay on for the entire duration of my computation. Now, for programs that I might be running on a quantum computer today, that could take a long time. This could be on the hours of days or a couple of hours even, but regardless, my laptop has to stay on for the entire time. Along with that, it has fixed resources like I mentioned. I can't really call on additional flexible elastic resources that, can make my computation go faster or defer it to something else that's more performant. So here's where Quantum Serverless really comes into play. Throughout my entire development workflow, from mapping for classical to quantum, optimizing my quantum workload, my circuits and my observables for target hardware, execution on a quantum system, or post-processing, I might be using a lot of different types of resources here. Each of these tasks have different resource requirements. For mapping, this could be a lot of classical resources that I expend. For optimization, it could be a combination actually of both quantum and classical, such as if I wanted to characterize a quantum system before I optimized it. Execution is going to be on the quantum system. And then for post-processing, I would also want to use a variety of classical resources. Now, that's a lot of resources to manage, as you can tell. So what Quantum Serverless does is help you have a layer underneath all of this to manage these resources. Along with that, you have these long-running workloads that can be persisted inside this layer that has flexible resources that you can allocate to whichever task in your workload. So with that in mind, you can write your program, deploy it into that environment, turn off your laptop, throw it into the river, and then come back, and your program and its results are going to be there waiting for you at the very end.